Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to generate or how to create USB bootable flash pen drive of Windows 11. Along with, also I would like to show you how you will confirm, how you will check it out. Your operating system needs which partition style bootable pen drives. Because sometimes, as we know that if it's unknown that which partition disk style of my computer it is, and we are going to generate a difference partition bootable style. In the situation, USB bootable flash pen drive won't be proper functional. So in the situation, I need to confirm either it is GPT or MBR. So this one also I would like to tell you in this video tutorial. So blindly, whenever you are going to install any operating system, not to speak of especially Windows 11, even if of course you can Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 7, 10, whenever you would like to install, you can install the within especially 10 to 20 minutes by using USB flash bootable pen drive. So for it guys, just I will take a one pen drive. There should be more than 8 GB free space of Windows 11 bootable flash pen drive if you would like to generate. So just I have inserted one. See, just I have inserted one pen drive. Total capacity is approximately 8 GB. Now here, now I would like to open a one software. That's name is Rufus. RUFUS. So just I will click on this one, and if you would like to have this software, just raise a comment below the comment box. I will give you. It's a total size approximately less than 100 KB. So don't worry guys, you can easily also of course available on various websites, so you can have anywhere. Just here I would like to select ISO file. So see, just I will select this ISO file. I have already downloaded this Windows 11 ISO file and saved in my hard disk. And now see guys, this is a very important thing, so that partition scheme, partition style. So we have a two choice, one GPT and MBR. So sometimes if computer partition scheme is a MBR and you are going to generate a GPT partition bootable flash pen drive, then if it is not going to match, then of course it won't be a functional. So in the situation you will have to regret, and once again you will have to have similar partition scheme. So in the situation, let's confirm that what's the partition disk style is in a operating system, in this especially computer or laptops. Then I will generate according to a requirement. So for it guys, what I will do, just simply I will go in a search bar, and here just I need to write DISK disk MANA disk management. So you will have an option here, create and format hard disk properties. You need to click here guys. So now see guys, it has started to load here. Now simply guys, I will come on this zero disk on a C drive, especially on here, and I will go in property options. After coming in property options, just I will go for volume. In volume, clearly partition style is MBR. So master boot record, I need to choose partition scheme. So just I will cut from here, and now here just I will change MBR. master boot record. And now I would like to generate. If you would like to name here anything according to your requirement, of course you can have. But now I would like to generate. So let's say start. Image is too big for this selected target, so it's saying that we need a more space free pen drive. So at the moment it's not going to functional, but by a similar strategy of course you can have, because it's more than 8 GB total capacity. That's why it's saying that too big. So I think it's not going to generate here. So guys, of course you need more than a special, because here what's happening, because here MS Office is also included, so that's why. So by a similar strategy you need to execute, and you will be able to generate USB bootable flash pen drive of Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows any operating system, guys. So just you need to click on a start, and it will take 1 to 5 minutes, and after generating it will complete. Then directly you have to select a boot key and install Windows within 10 to 20 minutes. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, confusion, blindly you can raise the query below the comment box, guys. I will reply in course of time according to the query, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please ponder, consider, like, subscribe and share often this content, so that might be beneficial also for someone who is already increased or questing to learn this kind of acknowledge. So thank you guys, thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.